Hello everyone! Today I have a super special recipe. Don't you want to try this fall off the bone, tender and juicy masala goat leg roast? Let's go ahead and make it. But before we get started, you know the drill. Go on and hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you can always stay updated on all of my latest videos. We will be using a 4-pound goat back leg for this recipe. In a pan, we are going to add 4 tablespoons of cumin seeds, 4 tablespoons of coriander seeds, and 2 tablespoons of black peppercorn. On medium-high heat, we will dry roast these. We want to dry roast them until they are fragrant and slightly start changing their color. Do not let the spices burn, otherwise they will have an overpowering taste that might be bitter. Now this looks perfect. Allow this to cool for a few minutes and then add 4 tablespoons of red chili flakes and 2 to 3 teaspoons of garam masala. Mix this really well. Let the spices cool completely and then place them in a coffee grinder. We are going to grind these for about a minute or so until we have a nice texture. The masala should not be too fine, nor should it be too coarse. As you can see, I have made deep slits on the goat leg so that the marinade absorbs really well. And with that, let's go ahead and make the marinade. In a bowl, I'm going to add about a cup of yogurt. To this, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of ginger powder, 3 teaspoons of salt or to your own taste. We're going to dump in all of the masalas that we ground up. We're going to add the juice of 3 to 4 lemons. Next, I'm adding half a cup of raw papaya and a 1/4 cup of oil. Mix this really well. Our delicious, fragrant marinade is ready. Let's pour all of this goodness all over the goat leg and start our marination process. Now we want to make sure that we massage the marinade really well into the leg, especially getting into the slits. Make sure you get both the sides well covered in the marinade. Now let's cover this and set this aside in the fridge for about 48 hours. And make sure you take it out of the fridge 2 hours prior to baking so it reaches room temperature before it goes into the oven. We're going to bake this uncovered at 550 degrees for 20 minutes. Take it out after 20 minutes, flip it over and bake for another 20 minutes uncovered at 550 degrees. Now we're going to lower the heat at 375. We're going to cover tightly with foil and bake for about 2 hours. And after 2 hours, let's open this up and check it out. Oh my goodness, look at that. It is looking absolutely scrumptious. I cannot even describe the smell in my kitchen right now. I cannot wait to dig right and look at how that is just falling apart. It is so soft, so moist, so juicy and tender. I usually make this dish on special occasions. It is very, very classy, but it's so simple to make. Do try out this recipe and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let me know how you like this video. Share it with your family and friends. I'll be back soon with more easy and delicious recipes. Thank you for watching.